Well, I'm back like I never left. Alright, so I am going on to a different wig. This wig no one purchased for me. It's not sponsored. I bought it my own because I was so inspired by the first headband wig that I was sent that I was like, I want something that's a little bit out of the box, you know, a little different for me. So this is the one I got. Isn't she cute? Love it. And this company is called FUHSI store, and I just found them on Amazon. This was during Amazon Prime week and I paid $28.99 for it. Let's see. And I got it the next day, 1-day shipping. Can you believe that? Love it. Okay. I'm trying to find the inch for y'all. Oh, this is 22 inch, honey. 22 inch. So this is what she looks like on a model. And excuse my nails, I'm gonna do them, y'all. I've been busy. But enough of that. Let me show y'all. So the packaging came like this. You know, not that great, but it's all right, whatever. This. And just look at the texture, okay? We love a good kinky texture. I know I do. And I just love this color. This color is 27, and I get this color a lot. So, but I just haven't gotten it. I don't think I've ever gotten it by itself. So this is a little bit out of the box for me, okay? And I'm sorry if y'all tilted. I just realized that it was leaning. Hopefully this is better. Hold on. All right, that's much better. I'm so sorry y'all was looking at me like this. If it wasn't, then ignore me. So, same deal. This wig has more combs. So it has 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and 1 right here. Oh no, this is the same amount. And this is the Velcro on this one. And I've been wearing this one, y'all. I've been wearing this one to the gym for a quick little store run. And it seems like they all have the same size, like amount of Velcro. So let's double check. So this is the first one I put on, 16 inch. It was like a water wave. I didn't mention that, I'm sorry. And yeah, we're gonna compare. So yeah, the Velcro, oh, this one looks a little bit longer. And it's still too big. But it's all right. We find our tricks and hacks, you know, to look cute. So I'm gonna put this on. But it helps to have this on it. It really does. This right here, I just gotta get a different one, honestly, because I had this for years. So with this one, I'm not gonna put back here because y'all, it just don't match. I mean, it probably wouldn't look bad. Let me see. But every time I wear this, I don't leave any baby hairs out. And I don't like the way it looks. So I've been wearing it like this just because my hair is not the same color. It's a number 4. And it looks even darker when I put gel on it. And I'm just doing the same thing. But with this one, even though the Velcro on the other one's a little bit longer, this one feels more tighter. I don't know how or why. Maybe it has to do with the elastic. I'm not sure, but yeah. And I tuck it under like I always do. So let me show y'all again. Hopefully y'all can see this one. I tuck this under, and this one don't flap as much as the other one. See that? It's a little bit of flap, just a little bit. Unlike the other one, it was like that much. This one's this much. So I'm putting this comb right here, tucking it under. And y'all, I've been wearing this one. If you follow me on my Facebook group, you would have seen me with this color, and I just love this color, like giving me Beyonce vibes. Okay, I was dancing around the house, swinging my neck and stuff, listening to Beyonce, okay? And I think I did injure my neck a little bit. My husband was laughing at me. He had to crack my neck. I don't recommend them doing that if they don't know what they're doing. Get it cracked at a chiropractor. But I like this wig. I done combed this wig out. Okay, I done sprinted in this wig. I did a lot of things in this wig, and it tangles a little bit. You know, it is curly, it's long. Oh, this is what 22 inches look like on me. So right there at the top of my butt. Oh, she cute. So I'm gonna brush this out, and this is the hair from the other one. After I brush it, I meant to show y'all that. Not that much hair. So, but I'm gonna brush this out too. Not too much, because I actually like the kinky pattern, so I'm gonna just brush a little bit. Ooh, this is so pretty, y'all. And I've been wearing this one for weeks now. I would say like 2 weeks. No, maybe not 2 weeks, a good week. A good week. I've had it for about 2 weeks, but I've worn it for a good week. Just when I want to go run to the store. So right here, because my hair is black, I just try to keep it down as low as possible. But if it comes out, y'all, it really don't bother me that much. But if it bothers you, if you really want to know a trick, and you can try it. I don't know if you're going to. I'm not gonna try it because I really don't care. But you could cut like some off and try to make you some baby hairs. That's just a suggestion I thought of just now, but it doesn't bother me. The hair is always covering right here. I usually wear it up in a ponytail when I'm going to the gym. Like this. And I'm so glad this happened. So y'all see when I pulled it up, this flew up. So I didn't tuck it this under the Velcro all the way. So just make sure that's tucked all the way. And if you're going to the gym and you know you're gonna be like in there like running hard, that's when I do put in my other clips, just to make sure this don't go anywhere. But I'm not gonna put it on now. But I usually just put it like this. And because this one comes with a headband already, like a stylish headband already included, you don't really have to worry about changing it. But if you want to, you can flip it like I showed you in the last one. So I will say this does show there. I noticed it when I was in the gym, but when I wear my high ponytail, it covers like this, so it really doesn't matter. But I would recommend is just tucking it again. And that's because we tucked, because my head is so small and I tucked it under. You could leave it out as it's supposed to be. And let me show you. You could tuck this comb under first, like so, and then Velcro on top. With this one, I could get away with that because, like I say, not a lot hangs out. And just go that way, you know, if you don't want to risk doing it the other way. But honestly, I wore this to the gym once, and I haven't worn it to the gym at all. I usually wore it when I'm going out on a quick little run, because it's a headband wig, right? I be having time to do nothing. But my husband likes this one. Like, he be wanting me to wear it. Y'all know what I mean. So we grown. But yes, I love this wig. I will say, like, you can't do much parting. If you try to part it, you won't get much out of it. You can try and just do it like that, but then at that point, to me, it just looks, I don't know, it looks weird. So, but I do like it. At least it looks weird to me like that. If I part it, it's usually like this because I like the side look. Let me pull this down. I like the side look. But you see, you're not gonna get any scalp. Like, this is a headband wig. So just do realistic parts and stuff like that. But I like this color, y'all. If I could just find me a wig that's within reasonable price, or if a company wants to bless me, okay, and go ahead, give your girl a little sponsorship with a color like this, I'm just gonna call it to existence. I'm gonna speak it in my life, and it's done. It's coming. I would just love it. Okay, so that's what I have for this one, and this was out of my pocket, out of my money. My pocket, my money, my coins, okay? But I love this one. When I was with my twin, she tried to take this from me, as always. But you know, she can't have this. So I politely sent her the link. And when I wore it, people honestly didn't know that it was synthetic hair. They just honestly thought it was like some Kanekalon hair or some like kinky hair that I got from the hair store. And I was like, no. Let me put this down. I was like, no, you know, this is a headband wig. It's a headband wig. And if this headband is too thick, what I recommend is like folding it how we did before and do it like that. If that's how you want to finesse it. But honestly, with this one, I don't mind it being like this because it covers my black baby hairs. Now, if you have this cat color hair in your head, then you can wear it back like how I wore on the first one. It'll look more realistic. Shoot, if your hair is this color all the way, you can even fold it back like this, the headband all together, and just put leave some of your hair out in the front, and you'll be cute, girl. All right, going on to the next one.